What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my fourth dividend payment from Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Now, this investment is an actual investment that I used margin investing on with Robinhood. And initially when I invested $10,000 using margin investing. So I borrowed $10,000 from Robinhood. And at the time that I did it, they were charging 3% for interest. And that means on the $10,000, I would pay $300 for the entire year, right? So you divide $300 divided by 12 would be the amount of money that I would be paying monthly. And at first, this was a really sweet deal because my dividend payments were actually higher than the monthly amount that I was supposed to be paying Robinhood to use margin investing. However, now margin investing is 4.5%, which is substantially higher than 3%. And I'm actually kind of down, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you guys my fourth dividend payment because I want to show you how I am planning on investing for the future, and I plan on living off of dividends. So once again, that's the purpose of this particular video, to talk about my fourth dividend payment with Stag Industrial. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so currently I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current portfolio, where it sits right now at the making of this video, and I will also show you how much money I have invested overall in the stock market and where I am in regards to that. And then of course I'm going to show you my fourth dividend payment with Stag Industrial, which I think is a very solid company to invest. As a matter of fact, I was thinking right before doing this video, maybe I should grab some more shares since my average cost is higher than what Stag Industrial is currently trading for. All right, so right now I have on the screen my current portfolio, which sits at $196,000. This is live right now. It's currently after hours, but the market's still open. As you guys can see, the screen's going to be moving. The price on the screen is going to be moving. Currently today, I am down negative $10,224. It's never good to be down. Obviously, that's a lot of money. But the thing is, my investments are going to be for the long haul. So I'm not going to freak out too much about that because I know that this will eventually go back up over time. So currently, this is where my portfolio is sitting right now today. If I click on all, it's saying that all time currently I'm down $61,000, which of course never feels good. But since May of 2020, I really kind of started to reinvest in the market. And since that time, I have invested $254,000. So once again, right now, I'm way below $254,000, as you guys can see, but that's okay. We're going to keep our finger crossed and hope that the stock market does what it has done historically, which is to always go up. The overall trajectory of the stock market is an upward trajectory. So hopefully the stock market will continue to do what it's always done and it will bounce back and recover. All right. So I'm going to show you guys right now Stag Industrial, which is currently trading for $31.73. Okay. This company pays dividends monthly, which is another thing that I really like about it, because of course, later on, a good 20 years from now, when I'm trying to retire and live off my dividends, this could be something that I can rely on every single month. Okay. So as you guys can see, my average cost per share right now is $40.30. And once again, Stag is trading for $31.73. A lot less than my average cost. Okay. Once again, I told you that I initially invested $10,000. I was using my margin investing here on Robinhood. I'll show you guys right here just to keep it transparent with you guys. My very first buy here was February 10th, 2022. And I just invested $10,000, and that's using margin. Okay. So I'm currently paying 4.5% on this $10,000 right now because it's 4.5% to use margin investing on Robinhood. All right, so let me share with you guys my most recent dividend payment, which was right here on June 15th for $30.43. At that time, I owned 250 shares, and Stag was paying out 0.12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $30.43. As you can see, because I have dividend reinvestment turned on Robinhood, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares for me automatically, which they filled the order on June 16th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. And at that time, they were able to grab almost a full share, 0.99117 worth of shares. So almost a full share. And at that time, they bought the share for $30.70, which is okay because currently it's trading for $31.73. So as you guys can see here, it's trading for $31.73. Now, my total return in regards to Stag is not where I want it to be, but this is a part of investing in the stock market. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, and currently your boy is down. So as you can see, my total return overall is I'm down negative 21%, which happens to be $2,152, okay? Obviously, it sucks to be down, but this would be a great time for me to grab more shares. Now, currently, I'm not pumping in more money into the stock market at this time. I decided, let me just chill for a minute just in case the stock market goes down even lower. Maybe I'll save my money up and maybe invest some more at a later date. So right now I'm not grabbing any more shares, but this would be a decent time. I believe that this is a very, very solid company and they're not going to go anywhere. And more importantly, I'm invested in this company for the monthly dividend payments, which I will continue to collect. And if the price is lower than my average cost, which once again is $40.30, when I get my dividend payment, Robinhood is going to automatically grab some more shares. So eventually over time, it'll bring my average down, but it's not going to happen overnight, right? Because I currently have 251 shares. And so it will take a lot of shares to bring my average cost down. You know, let's say to bring my average cost down at $35, I would have to buy, you know, at least 100 shares, right? And we're not going to do that right now. So, but the purpose of the channel and this video is to kind of just share my portfolio with you guys, let you guys know what's going on, let you know where I stand, and of course I'm going to continue to do so. And the cool thing is I'll be able to look back, we will be able to look back 2, 5, 7 years from now and kind of see where the portfolio was compared to where it's going to be in the next 7 years. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and as a way to support this channel and this particular video for free, smash that thumbs up. I'd appreciate that support. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.